We are in the A3 floor plan. This is a 1-bedroom. When you walk in, you're directly in your kitchen area. So you can see this has a wonderful kitchen island here. You can tuck your bar stools there. Lots of cabinet space and your stainless appliances. This one also has extra storage in the island. And then right off your kitchen here is a coat closet. And then across, you have your stackable washer and dryer in here. And the other side is your utilities. And then here is a really nice pantry for your kitchen. Beautiful double doors, lots of space. Okay, and that goes straight into your living space. Great windows, a lot of space in here. All right, and then down this little hallway here is the bathroom and the bedroom. So here's the bedroom first. This is carpeted. The nice thing about this one is your closet is actually in the bathroom. So not only do you have your regular closet, but you also have this linen closet right when you walk in. And then you have the double sinks, tub and shower combo. And then here's your great walk-in closet. Great shelving, lots of space.